Today I'll be making Chicken Alfredo. Start by boiling your noodles in salted water. Remember to not overcook your noodles. I'm using chicken tenderloins for this recipe. I season them with about 1 tablespoon of salt, pepper, granulated garlic, paprika, and thyme. Mix and coat them well with the seasonings. In a hot pan, add a little olive oil and cook each side of the chicken for about 5 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan and add about a half a cup of butter into the same pan. Now add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Saute that for a few minutes, then add 1½ cup of chicken bone broth. Now add about 1½ cup of heavy cream, stir and mix well. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Stir that in and add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Once that is melted, add your cooked noodles and stir. Here I'm adding a little more cheese and parsley to the top. Plate your noodles, slice the chicken, and add it to your plate. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.